How to remove Google account from Chrome. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove additional Google accounts out of your list. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so if you want to remove the account from your Google or Chrome browser, so let me show the methods that definitely help you. So let me go on my Chrome browser. So guys, I am on my Chrome. So here you can see I have two account here, which is login, and this is my Chrome profile, all profile. I can easily sign out from here, so it will be sign out from profile only, but this is Google account. Okay, this is your Chrome Google account. There is no any option to sign out one account. In order to remove the Gmail account or Google account from your Chrome browser, you have to sign out first. You have to sign out all. Just click on sign out all, then your account will be sign out. Now go to the sign in again, and here you can see the both all email your accounts. Now you have to remove an account. Click on it and just click on this minus button, then the account will be removed. So that is how you can remove the account from Chrome. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.